In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice type speaker notes in Google Slides. This handy feature can save time and ensure you capture information accurately, allowing you to focus more on the content rather than the typing. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're on your computer and open your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you're not already logged in, click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one that contains your Google Slides presentations, enter your password, and then click on Next to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you should see a small grid icon, often referred to as the waffle, located in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will show you a list of Google apps. Scroll down until you find Slides. Click on it and you will be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, locate and select the presentation you'd like to add speaker notes to. Open it up by clicking on it. After opening the presentation, choose the specific slide you want to add notes to from the left-hand side panel. Now head to the top of your screen where the menu bar is located. Here you'll want to select Tools. Clicking on this will generate a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select Dictate Speaker Notes. This action will change the view of your slides slightly. Below it, the Speaker Notes section will open, and a small microphone icon will appear adjacent to it. This little icon is your gateway to effortless note-taking. When you're ready to start dictating, simply click on the microphone icon. It will turn red, indicating that it's actively listening to you. Begin speaking clearly and at a normal pace as if you're conveying your thoughts to the audience. The real beauty lies in how your words are transcribed live, effortlessly streaming into the speaker notes box right before your eyes. This feature is particularly useful if you have a lot of information to input or if you find typing to be cumbersome. As you finish expressing your thoughts, remember to click the red microphone icon again to stop the transcription. This ensures that your note-taking session is closed neatly and no unintended comments are picked up. And that's it. You've successfully used voice typing to add speaker notes to your Google Slides presentation. With practice, this technique can become an invaluable part of your slides preparation process. Feel free to go back and review or edit the results manually for accuracy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in making your presenting process smoother and more efficient.